Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can save color in Trust to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Sometimes you will get quest or mission to save colors. As you can see here, for example, I need to save 4 colors to my color palette, and I'm going to show you how we can do it. So I'm going to click on this menu and I'm going to choose one of my item, for example the hair, and I'm going to choose this color. Okay, you can choose the color that you want to save. You can also add the color hex code if you want. Right here, just type in the hex code, but I'm just going to pick a random color from the color wheel. And if you want to save it, you can click on this plus icon right here. Okay, and as you can see that I have already saved a color, and I'm going to pick more colors just like this. Okay, that's super easy. And I think my palette is already full, and if you want to delete it, we can click on this menu and we can click on the X button like this to remove the color, just like that. That's so simple. And I'm going to remove it again, and yeah, just like that guys. Okay guys, and that's how we can save color in Trust to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.